Hi guys! We are back with a new video.
And this is the very first video of our playlist AK Shinny Travel Diaries.
As we had mentioned in our comeback video that we have travelled to Bodh Gaya very frequently in the past. So we are starting with the glimpses of Bodh Gaya.
This video is very close to me because it is based on one of my childhood passion.
He also got a coin for his coin collection.
Yeah.
Ankesh is very passionate about coin collection.
I used to find a great collection of old and vintage coins at Bodh Gaya. People from all over the world come there for pilgrimage, and they have been coming for past so many years. So that's why the local shopkeepers who are in the market near the Mahabodhi temple, they have actually got a large number of old coin collections not only from India but from various other countries too.
He got coins of different countries from this auntie last time, and she sells those antique coins at a really cheap rate, like 10 rupees. They're not aware that what kind of treasure they have. They just sell it for peanuts. So
Yeah.
that's why he loves going there. Trust me, if you go to Bodh Gaya ever and if you show his picture to any coin seller there, they would recognize him.
Yeah, and the reason is that I have this is my coin collection. वो जैसे पुराने ज़माने में नहीं राजा लोग दिया करते थे,
अशरफियाँ.
ये लो अशरफियाँ. मेरे पास भी इतनी अशरफियाँ हैं.
I've got one British coin and one coin which is from the age of the Mughals.
Wait.
देखो ये वाला तुमको दिखाया था ना?
Yeah, you have that.
Like this one.
वो दिखाओ उठा के एक बार.
ऐसा तो फिर श्रीलंका थाईलैंड होगा. अभी ये $1 हो गया. ये कहाँ? ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी 1839.
What?
ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी 1839.
Okay.
Just like such bolo. Some monkeys made 1839 का coin.
I basically got a lot of coins from Bodh Gaya. I got coins from China, Bhutan, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and I even got a Swiss coin from there.
Yeah, I remember you and Rahul were fighting over it.
Yeah.
So Rahul is one of our very close friends, and he is also very passionate about his coin collection. I remember both of them used to bring their coin collection to office, and they used to just put
They
it on the
flaunt
table
it.
during the break time.
Yeah.
And there used to be a competition. Okay, I have this coin, I have that coin. So Yeah, I remember that. Hi Rahul, if you're watching. Did you get something?
Yeah, there is some Sri Lankan currency that I'll take.
You don't have Sri Lankan yet, no?
I have.
Which currency did you get last time?
I got some Swiss coin.
Yeah, Swiss coins. We got Swiss coins at like just 10 rupees.
This is a different kind of 50 paisa.
Tell me if you find something.
Yeah, sure, I'll tell you because I got some Sri Lankan coins. Sri Lankan 1 rupee.
Show me.
It's Sri Lankan 1 rupee.
Yeah. Right. So basically we are going to spend good 15-20 minutes here because as you can see it's like quite immersed in these coins.
There's also an incident that happened in the complex of Mahabodhi temple. There is a lake called Muchalinda Lake. Before going to that lake in the way, there is a large pillar. So it's told that if you toss a coin on that pillar and it stays at the top of the pillar, your wish will come true. So when I went with my siblings, so my brother tried that. He just tossed a coin, and what happened? His coin stuck at the top, and some other coin fell from there. So when I took it to see what kind of the coin was that, it was a coin from Germany. So I added that to my collection. Yeah, so probably Dada wished for your wish to come true, and you got a German coin from there. Maybe. Okay, so this was the very first video in our travel playlist, and we just hope that you liked it. So we'll be posting a new video in this playlist every alternate Tuesday. So just make sure you press the bell icon and push the subscribe button to get the notifications. We have a lot of travel videos because in past 2 years we have traveled a lot. So we'll be posting them. Okay guys, so see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.
Stay home, stay safe. As I mentioned, we'll be posting every alternate Tuesday in this playlist. I did.
No, you did not. Again, got a lot of.
Back with our new. This is Shini. This is like it holding.
One, two, three.